Broward County, South Florida. Rapper, singer Sean Kingston's mother has been arrested in a raid at his home. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaica. If it's the first time tuning into the Rastaman channel, hit that red subscribe button. Follow me on TikTok. Fill up the Rastaman panel. A number of Broward County Sheriff officers, deputies, including SWAT team members, were seen at the Southwest Ranches home of recording artist Sean Kingston Thursday morning. Authorities said they took his mother into custody. Imagine that. I want you to hear what has been going on, and I'll continue.
And now we've learned his mother has been arrested.
As they have literally been here on site all day long. As you can see, there is a mobile command post set up just outside of the home, and all of this has to deal with some very pricey equipment that allegedly was never paid for. A high-profile raid underway Thursday at this multi-million-dollar home connected to musician Sean Kingston. Beautiful Girls may have been the music star's biggest hit, but he may have lost some fans at a company that sells and installs high-end television and sound systems. According to this court document, a company called Ver Entertainment accuses Kingston of having a $150,000 system installed at the home, but failing to pay for it in full.
We know that our property is inside this house right here.
Kingston, whose real name is Kisean Anderson, posed with the product in a photo posted on Instagram after it was installed late last year. The attorney representing that entertainment company showed us what the 232-inch television system looks like today as it was being dismantled.
Basically a sales pitch that he goes through to defraud people. He's never paid my client for this $150,000 television.
More than a dozen deputies with the Broward Sheriff's Office carried out the raid on the Southwest Ranches property, carrying boxes of evidence and even large pieces of something that was kept under wraps. At one point, a Bentley SUV was towed away from the home. Kingston's family, including his sister, has been here within eyesight watching it all go down. We've learned the recording artist's mother, who drives this vehicle, was also here but arrested. Janice Turner is now in the process of being booked on numerous fraud and theft charges. The only word from Sean Kingston came today in the form of this post on Instagram that reads, "People love negative energy. I am good, and so is my mother. My lawyers are handling everything as we speak."
See it there? I wonder if really if a bad mind the Kingston, or if really Sean Kingston and Mommy Kingston really they are foreign are do scamming after they've been yamming. This home that you saw the raid committed at is at the Southwest 146th Avenue and 46th Street. Kingston, whose real name is Kisean Paul Anderson, born in Miami and moved to his family's native Jamaica at the age of 6, attending high school in the country before moving back to South Florida. Now, as you notice that it was a video from Channel 10 News crediting them. Now, the 10 local news spotted more than a dozen BSO deputies next to the command center and investigation set up in the driveway of Kingston's home. So it's not just the TV return. It appears that they are checking and filing merchandises. It appears it might be some fraud going on in a civil complaint obtained from the Broward Clerk Court and company by the name Ver Entertainment alleged that Kingston 34 partially paid for a 232-inch television and entertainment system, but following the installation never paid for the product in full. The complainant goes on to allege that Kingston used his name and his celebrity status to scam people out of products and service, never paying for them. Attorney Dennis Card, who represents Ver Entertainment, spoke to the local 10 News on Thursday. He basically has a sales pitch and he goes through the defraud people. he include them and incline them, inducing them to give him really expensive thing. Card said, we know that our property is inside the house right there. So as soon as the raid take place, we are going to have a crew of police and people in there to recapture the product to the rightful owner. Kingston has not yet been seen on the property, though his relatives, as you see, his sister was walking in that video, have declined to say anything. Another situation that looks really embarrassing on a Jamaican. Imagine, families and friends, international superstar Sean Kingston, his mother is now in jail. Now they said that authorities took Kingston's mother, Janice Turner, 61-year-old, into custody on numerous of fraud, theft charge, and pursuant to an investigation that is being done in Dana Beach earlier this morning. Turner has yet listed in the Broward County Jail as of Thursday afternoon. She is complicit, Card said. She knows what's going on. On Thursday afternoon, Kingston posted to social media, people love negative energy. I'm good, and so is my mother. My lawyer are handling everything as we speak. Now, again, like I said, this don't look good for the international rap artist. This doesn't look good for Sean Kingston, as his mother is now sitting in the Broward County. It is being alleged that there's some fraud because she has been charged with fraud, as the indictment on the Broward County, criminal website is showing. Right? Now, as there have been investigation, and Channel 10, like I said, received circuit court documents showing that she has been charged, although she has not been listed as yet. It shows here that Kingston mother is in custody. Her name is Janice Turner. She is 61, and she is being held in the Broward Sheriff County Jail on numerous of theft and fraud charges, pursuant to an investigation that began in Dana Beach this morning. So it's not just the Southwest Ranches location that seems to have been hit. When you have 12 Broward County deputies on a raid, it's something serious. But the mother of Sean Kingston is now in custody, right? And it appears that it's something bigger than just a 235-inch TV not being, completely paid for. So, leave the message, leave a comment for me, because right now, the beautiful girl singer, Sean Kingston, heart is broken right now, and it's his mother, Janice Turner, 61-year-old. She's now in custody on numerous of fraud and theft charge. And this stems from an investigation that began in Dana Beach, South Florida. So it's from another location. So it's something that's, bigger than we know right now. So stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed as yet, right? Because this is just a developing story. And when we have these developing story, we want to make sure you keep informed. And if you want to hear the truth, ladies and gentlemen, just make sure you're subscribed to Deep Roots TV. Share the content for me. I'm reporting live here in the studio. Sean Kingston's mother, Janice Turner, a 61-year-old woman, charged on multiple counts of fraud and theft, Broward County, South Florida, USA. More life and more joy, more happiness. Subscribe to the Rastaman channel. Make sure you build up the Rastaman panel. More life, yeah?
Fire,